Hi, my name is Fuji Wing. This screencast is a supplement to the tutorial Getting Started with Ollama and NET 9 Web API published on Medium. This tutorial walks through the code of Web API built with .NET 9 that interacts with Ollama, a local AI server, designed to help developers. It's explained how to integrate AI capabilities into applications by leveraging Ollama open source tool for running large language models locally. The screencast includes two parts. Part 1, launch the Web API project in Visual Studio and verify that it's running. In Part 2, view Ollama in Docker Desktop and run commands to list the available AI models. I already have the project open in the Visual Studio. To run the project, hit F5. The Scalar UI is open. There are two resources, Chat and Ollama, available. Let's click on API Ollama endpoint. This endpoint lists all the AI models in Ollama by using Ollama Sharp API. Let's try the chat endpoint. In the message, gonna put it in how to volley in pickleball and click on send. While this one is running, let's take a look at the task manager's performance. You can see that the spike in the CPU is running at about 49% right now, and then when you see the response coming back, then it dropped. In top of CPU memory is about 80% utilization out of 32 gigabyte. And take a look at the GPU. The utilization is little, it's about 5%. But if I run the Web API against a model that needs GPU, system Llama Vision, I would expect the GPU utilization going up. Let's switch gear, and now let's take a look at the Ollama in Docker. I have a group of containers under self-hosted AI starter kit, and I've been doing several projects where I use NAN and Ollama and then Open Web UI. But for today, just take a look at the Ollama here and go to the view detail. The logs right here will show all the interaction Web API call to Ollama. It provides a log here. Sometimes it's also helpful for troubleshooting. And let's go over to the command line here. I can list out the existing AI models that have been pulled down by running the command Ollama list. So earlier in the Web API, there's an endpoint to list out all of the AI models. That's the same AI model that you can see it here. For example, within Ollama right now, I have pulled down Llama 3.2. I have the dynamic embedded text, and then the other version, Llama 3.1, which is used in the tutorial. There's some other really good model very good for developers. like Quen 2.5 coder. It had very good reasoning and logic, very good with code review and refactoring. And if you need to pull out additional model, you can do Ollama run and then specify the model name here. You can find additional model by go to ollama.com and then go to the model search over here. And for every model available, you can take a look at, like for example, Llama 3.2 Vision here. And there's a different size of the model. And for every size, that tag that you selected right here, there's a command how to install it. So take a copy right here and go back to the container and paste it and hit enter. And this will then pull out that particular model and add it to the Ollama. This screencast demonstrates how to set up and interact with Ollama local AI models through .NET 9 Web API, monitor system performance, and manage models using Docker. I will leave the link to the tutorial in medium.com and the source code in the GitHub in the details section. Thank you for watching.